Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have started a series of videos on data structure and algorithms. This series of videos will help you to understand data structures and algorithms very easily. This is my second video. In my previous video, I have discussed what is data structure, why we should learn data structure, what is the need of the data structures. The link of my first video is given in the description box. You can check from the description box and can watch the video. So let's start our video. In this video, I will discuss what is an algorithm, what are the needs of algorithm, and what are the characteristics of an algorithm. So our first topic is what is an algorithm? An algorithm is a process or set of rules required to perform calculations or some other problem solving operation, especially by a computer. The formal definition of an algorithm is that it contains the finite set of instructions which are being carried in a specific order to perform the specific task. An algorithm is not the complete program or code, especially it is just a solution, or we can say logic of a problem, which can be represented either as an informal description using flowchart or program code. An algorithm can be simple and complex depending on what you want to achieve. Let us consider a simple example of adding two numbers. Suppose we want to add sum of two numbers like say a plus b, and we want to store it in C. So for that, first we need to declare these three variables. First we will declare these three variables, then we will take the input from the keyboard of the value for value a and for value b, and then we will do this addition. C is equals to a plus b, we will do the sum, and then we will store it in C, and finally we will print C. So these are the four steps we can say in order to add two numbers. So this is an example of an algorithm. So this is the example of an algorithm where we have done addition of two numbers a plus b. First we have declared the variables a, b, c, and then we have taken values of a and b from the keyboard, and then we have done the summation, that is c is equals to a plus b, and finally we have printed C where it will show the output. So our next topic is why algorithm is needed, or we can say what is the need for algorithms. So the first point is algorithms are necessary for solving complex problems efficiently and effectively. The second point is that they help to automate processes and make them more reliable, faster and easier to perform. The third point is algorithms allows computer to carry out tasks that would be challenging or impossible for people to carry out manually. And finally, they are used to streamline procedures, evaluate data, provide predictions, and offer answers in a variety of industries, including mathematics, computer science, engineering, finance, and many more. The next topic is what are the characteristics of an algorithm? So the following are the characteristics of an algorithm. First is input. So an algorithm can has some input values. We can pass 0 or some input value to an algorithm. Next is output. We will get one or more output at the end of an algorithm. Next is unambiguity. An algorithm should be unambiguous, which means that the instruction in an algorithm should be clear and simple. Next is finiteness. An algorithm should have finiteness, which means that the algorithm should contain a limited number of instructions. That is, the number of instructions should terminate after a finite time. Next is feasible. The algorithm must be simple, generic and practical such that it can be executed with the available resources. And the last is language independent. That means the algorithm design must be language independent. That is, it must be just plain instruction that can be implemented in any language, and yet the output will be same as expected. Thank you everyone for watching the video till the end. Like, share and subscribe for more videos.